Hello guys, welcome to yet another episode of the Insane Graphics PixelLab tutorial. Today I want to quickly show you how to use this tool. But before you see this tool in action, you have to draw a particular shape. Let's say I want to draw this shape. Yes. Now, you see this tool, this texture. Yes, this tool is very important. You need to familiarize yourself with this tool because it's going to help you to design perfectly, let's say your birthday card and whatever it is you want to design for somebody. Imagine you want to place an image on an object and you want it to be beautifully placed. Then this is the tool you need to use, the texture tool. Are we together? Now quickly, if this is what you want, for example, the first step is that you tap on this texture icon, then you tap on this gallery icon. It will take you to your gallery. Then you look for the image you want to texture on an object. Then you tap on it, for example this one. Then you can OK it and import. So you can see what is happening now. So you use this scale to adjust it. I hope you are getting this. You can see what is happening. So this is how you can texture on an object, especially when designing a birthday card for somebody. I hope this is clear. You can decide to leave this scale. I will leave this scale at this level for now. I hope you are getting this. Then OK it. This is enough for me. You can see what I've obtained, right? This is good. Let me stroke it. All right. I think this is what you want to design for someone. Your shadow. Okay. Let me see what inner shadow can do for this. So I have this. This is what I'm having currently. Exactly. So you can manipulate any object. Let's pick another object. Even if you draw it yourself, you can still manipulate this. I hope this is clear to you. So let's pick this now. Let's pick this texture. Look for your image. Let's say this. Alright, let's import it. You can see what is happening, right? Can you see it? So let's say this is what you want. And this is what you want. So you can design perfectly some of this stuff this way. Now you can continue. Imagine I want to do this. I didn't plan this, I'm just imagining. So once you are using PixelLab, you can imagine stuff. Okay, you can be able to imagine stuff and then you can design them. Let me copy this somewhere, then tap on this. I want to do something. So watch what is happening now. Let's say this is what I want, for example. Okay, then tap on this layer 2, tap on this, all together, tap on 1, 2, 3. These are the ones I want to merge. I merge them, then erase color. You can see what is happening here. Can you see this? You can now manipulate this the way you want to. I hope you are getting this. I will teach you more of this. This now I can copy this somewhere. Then this one, I copy it again. I wouldn't. This 1, 2, 3. Let me copy one and hide it somewhere. Okay, layer 2. Let me hide this. Then look at this. This is what I want to do now. I'm gonna crop it. Okay, I'll crop it. I'll crop this icon. Crop it this way. Guys, see what is happening? I have this. I pick this. I crop it. I'll teach you how to use this cropping tool more. But for this, learn this perfectly. Then the last one, you crop it too. This way. Exactly. So you see what is happening here. So can you see what is happening? I can decide to manipulate this anyhow I want. Exactly. Anyhow I want it. I can now manipulate it. I hope this is clear. So I can now merge this together. Let me move this here. Can now merge these three together this way. Exactly. You can see what I'm having, right? Then I stroke it. Finally. Can stroke it this way. Okay. Can see what I'm having. Alright. So this is how you play along with your PixelLab app, mobile app. You can do a lot with this. Exactly. Once you are done, you can now save. I hope this is clear to you. I want this to be here. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you very much.